So hey my friends and my seniors, welcome to my channel. I am Prativ Barman here talking with you, and this video is gonna be a very special video, guys, because in this video I'm gonna share a very important thing for all of you and also with all of you. Like, this video is a totally a certain video. I was just doing some few exercise, and suddenly this thing came into my brain, and I thought, let's tell this thing and let's share this thing with all of you, because this is very important thing. So that's why I'm a little bit sweaty also, but don't focus on that, focus on what I'm saying. The thing that I'm saying, it is that never stop. Yes, and never stop, a very common topic but a very important thing. Never stopping is the most important and the most powerful thing in your life. Doesn't matter what you are doing, but if you are just continuously doing it, doesn't matter what is your speed, okay, how much in speed you are doing this, what you are achieving, what you are not achieving, results, not results, nothing. Don't focus on anything, but focus on only one thing, and which is never stopping, always just going on and on and on and on. Yes guys, it means that consistency. If you take an example, then you can take my videos. Like, you can see I am also a very short YouTuber, and I am making videos for a long time. It has been like few years I am making videos, but still I'm not getting views, and also I am not a very famous person, okay, but still I'm just continuing my journey. I started the YouTube channel in 2021, and now it is 2026, okay. So from then I'm just making videos, and I have completed almost 600 plus videos, but still my videos, they are getting views like 40 50, sometimes 100, and also a few days ago my videos would get 100 plus and also 1000 plus views, but now it's again in very downfall. The thing that I'm telling to you, that just look at me after all of that, okay, still I am making videos, still I am practicing. Why? Because I know how to be consistent. And if you also become consistent, then I am not like a magician, and I can't say that if you are consistent, then definitely you will do success in your life. This is not the thing I am telling. I am telling, if you are just consistent with your goal, then doesn't matter what you are doing. If you're doing hard work, if you are giving your time, if you are just focusing on that one goal, like if you were very into that work, then remember me, one day you will get the results. Okay, now the results may come in another way. Like, see, I am making videos, and doesn't matter, I also have decided that I will not focus on views. Okay, doesn't matter views come or not come, but I am practicing English. It means that I am developing my English. And nowadays also you can understand, and you know very well, that in our future English is very important for our upcoming days, and it may be that my English will be useful in another way. Okay, the days that I am spending, they will never gonna be waste or just waste of time. Okay, I will use them in something, okay, or sometime they will be useful. Your every hard work, it will be useful. So always remember, just keep going. And you also have read a story, the story of the hare and the tortoise. I will again just give you a little bit summary, then you can recall that story. Once upon a time in a forest, there was a hare, means a rabbit, and a tortoise. I will say them, rabbit and tortoise. The rabbit and tortoise one day they decided that they will do a race. Okay, rabbit and tortoise, they are just like opposite. If one is the symbol of speed, then the another one is the like symbol of the slowest creature. Slowest creature, because like rabbit is much faster than a tortoise. Tortoise, they are very slow, they walk very slow, but still the tortoise accepted the race. He knew that he could not win, but he still accepted. Then the race started, and they also start running. Then not the rabbit start running. The rabbit was very fast, and in few minutes he went to the middle of the track. But on the other hand, the tortoise, he was very far away. Okay, he was still now at the beginning. And then the rabbit became very overconfident. He looked, and behind he also saw that the rabbit was like very slow, and he was very tired at that time, because running fast, okay, it's also a very like big work. That's why he was very tired. Then he decided that he will just take a little bit rest, and then he went under a shade of a tree and he sat down there and he just slept, like he slept. But the tortoise, he was consistent. He just walked and walked, doesn't matter how much slow, but he never stopped. He just walked. He saw lots of things. The rabbit was sleeping, but he just ignored it. He walked and walked and walked, and after a long time he won the race. He just crossed the finishing line. At that time the rabbit also woke up. Then the rabbit tried his best, but he could not beat the tortoise. So just see that consistency, just become consistent. Now if you're also a student like me, I am also a student of class 9. Now in classes we can see lots of competitions between children, like how much chapters you can cover. Like I also will cover more chapters than you, like always a competition by and also with the studies. Yes, you should like compete them. Like without competition there is not much fun. But remember one thing, doesn't matter how much the fast the another people are, but you don't have to be fast. You have to be just consistent. You don't have to go fast, you have to just keep going, because the people who are going fast now, a time will come when they will just stop. You also don't know how, but they will stop definitely. But at that time you have to continue your walk. This is the important thing that I am telling to you. This is the most important thing, and that's why I said never stop. It was the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye to you, but nothing is little a short notice, but a very important. Bye bye.